You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. I remind you that today is a short day in the United States due to the approaching Independence Day. This is an extremely important holiday for most residents of the United States, who traditionally go on vacation. This year they are lucky, as they have the opportunity to start their journey today and finish it only on Sunday. I mean, trading activity may decrease before the end of the week. In this case, there will be a deferred demand, which can be satisfied at the beginning of next week. However, it is not necessary to completely ignore the publication of reports from the USA. First, yesterday a report on the U.S. labor market was published, which recorded an unexpected increase in the number of jobs created. But the good news did not end there, because a little later yesterday, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell announced that the U.S. regulator was closely monitoring the decline in inflation. And although he said that the Fed needed more confirmation of the sustainability of the slowdown in inflation, investors simply did not listen to the second part of the comments. However, for the steady growth of key stock indexes and the sell-off of the U.S. dollar, one reduction in the key interest rate this year is not enough. Shifting to the oil market, it should be noted not only the tensions in the Middle East, but also the formation of Hurricane Beryl in the Caribbean Sea. If it hits the Gulf of Mexico, it will paralyze the work of the oil and gas sector in this region. Recall that about 50% of the U.S. refining capacity is concentrated there. Therefore, this is a significant threat to the largest consumer of black gold in the world. It is important to monitor the growth dynamics and movement of this hurricane, because it can become the main driver in the oil market. Let's conclude the review with the cryptocurrency market, which remains in the red zone, but has optimistic forecasts. Just yesterday, we talked about the fact that the U.S. elections can become the main driver of growth, and apparently this opinion is shared by a large number of relevant experts. On Tuesday, Jeffrey Kendrick, head of foreign exchange market and digital assets research at Standard Chartered Bank, said that in August, Bitcoin is likely to reach a new historical high, and then by election day in the United States it will exceed $100,000. But he also noted that the current president's withdrawal from the race could collapse Bitcoin to 50,000. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.